Hi everyone, Bongo here, Poultry People, and today we've got the wood burner pulled out because I can hear crows trapped up the chimney again. Yeah, there he is. Two. Two crows. Now can I grab them with my hand? Or am I going to take the entire registry plate out and do it like that? If I do it with my hand I'll have to be brave. Brave? Not brave. Quick. So this year we've got two. Unfortunately we've got Mr. Butters over there and Raggles to fucking think about now. Oh, they're both there. They're both there. Shit. What you gonna do, boy? What you gonna do? Don't go in there. Oh, they're tiny, they're absolutely tiny. Oh, gutted. Quit fucking around. Ow! Ow, 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 ow. Oh look, Raggles is taking a piss on the floor. Gotta get a new carpet. Psst. Buzz! Psst. Well, now that I've spotted that, I've got a fucking turkey in my hand. So maybe there's a bit of hope. Where to put them that they've got a fighting chance. Fuck's sakes. Oh, that is tiny. That is fucking minute. That's where he's come from, up there. I can't put him back in, I can't get down the fucking chimney. Bollocks. I'm wondering, can I put him up there somewhere maybe? Fuck shit. Butters, what are you doing? Nicely. Oi! Don't do that again. Oi, come here. Okay, so you're going to get eaten by Mr. Butters if you stay here, mate. We'll try you in there. Right, so we get the other one. What you doing, Butters? Butters! Get down from there now. Hui! 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 Get down, come on. Oh, sorry mate, you're on the top of a fucking wall. Go on. That natural born is in hunting mode at the moment. You little fuckwit. Go on, get down. Get down. Alright. So there's a hole in the wall here. I can get other birds coming out of there, so obviously it's got onto that. Vicious bastard. Come on, down. Get down now. Locking the kitchen. Right. See if we can get the second one out. Oh. Psst. What are you doing? Having a piss? Not having a piss in the wood burner. Back door's open. Pissing in the wood burner. You little fucker. You little bastard. Quit struggling, you idiot. Looking for a summit. Summit. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tabs. I only got $20 in my pocket. Now, I don't know, I might have felt 3 of them. I fucking hope not. There's 3. Number 3. 3 in 1 year. Cough butters. Uno, dos, tres. 3 crows this year. Now, I'm just going to leave them to it. If they've been abandoned, I'm a cunt to let them slowly die. So I'll come back out to them. I'm going to have to leave them now, otherwise their parents will fucking think I've killed them. Devil inside. You're the little cat with the devil inside. Oh, I'm sorry, come here. Come on. Don't be silly. Let's make friends. I can't let you go around just killing little birds, you know.